I get mistaken for a man a bit. My grandma asked me if I had a boyfriend. And I realised in that moment that I'd quite forgotten to come out to Grandma.
It's the delightful Hannah Gadsby.
Often on a plane, when I board a plane, it's like, welcome aboard, sir. I never recovered from puberty. I didn't. It just happened all of a sudden. I didn't get visited by the breast fairy. I got a visit from the thigh fairy, and she had a trigger finger. I don't mind it, but it does get tense because I'm only man at a glance. My masculinity doesn't hold up under scrutiny, so I'm always present when they realise their mistake. My hormones played a cruel joke on me. They said, let's make this one into the ultimate baby-carrying vessel. And then give her absolutely no f***ing desire to make one. Welcome aboard, sir. Oh, Mrs. Gadsby. So sorry, it's just that... No one ever really talked about the lesbians. Do they even exist if no one's watching, really? I'm so sorry. I'm like, what are you sorry for? It was nice. It was really nice because just for a moment, I was a straight white man. People think that because I've got these childbearing hips, I should be breeding. They think that. And I don't like that attitude. That's like saying to someone in a wheelchair, you should have a desk job. Come on, you got half the furniture. You know, for a long time I knew more facts about unicorns than I did about lesbians. I joke. I would not want to be a straight white man. No way. Not if you paid me, although the pay seems good. The pay does seem good. I'll try and get as personal as possible. Like, just break the ice with some really personal information. I've got attention deficits, hyperactive disorder. I take a painkiller every day because I suffer from chronic pain. I don't seem to be exhibiting too much of the hyperactive part of that equation. I think my attention's in so much deficit I forgot to fidget and chuck pencils. The other thing I take antidepressants. Some people don't like antidepressants. I've been told, no, they should be banned. They're for the weak in the head. Yep, that pretty much sums it up. Someone said why don't take a pill, just think happy thoughts. It's kind of depressing that they thought that I hadn't thought of that before. That I've just been going around going, what's the opposite? You've been lovely, thank you very much, and good night.